Yo, what's good everybody? It's your boy AC Legend. I'm back with another video. Now, if you are interested in business funding, personal credit, personal funding, entrepreneurship, then you are in the right space. So go ahead, do me a favor, like this video, subscribe to my channel because I am giving out free game, free value all day, about twice a week right now. So if you're interested in any of that, go ahead and do me a favor right now. Just go ahead and like, subscribe. This helps me push the message forward. It helps me with the YouTube algorithm. And more importantly, it's going to help me continue to be able to provide game information to you. Now, today we are going to talk about a credit builder because I'm always giving out game on how to get funding, what banks to go to get funding, or what lenders to go to get funding. But what if you're not in the right space right now to be able to get funding, right? What if your credit isn't all the way up to par? If you don't know what it means for your credit to be all the way up to par, I suggest you go ahead and watch my previous video explaining to you guys what an ideal credit profile looks like, right? So what we do when our credit isn't the greatest, one, we need to clean it, right? So that's the first thing. We need to clean our credit report. After we clean it, now we need to restore it. And we're going to talk about one way we can restore. Restore means we're actually going to build it up now. After you clean it, you must restore. You got to replenish it with new accounts, right? On-time payments, right? We need accounts and on-time payments, and we also need to show credit limits that we're able to maintain successfully so that other lenders and other banks feel comfortable enough to give us more funding. So today we're going to talk about Kickoff. That's Kikoff. Kickoff has the Kickoff credit account. This is super easy. Everybody's instantly approved and it's super low entry. So what you do is you're going to sign up, join Kickoff, and then once they accept and approve you, you're going to pay $5. That's right, only $5 every single month for the next 12 months. And as long as you're paying it on time, guess what? You're building on-time payments. And just for spending $5 each month, Kickoff is going to report a $750 trade line onto your credit report. Now, for some of you who's already has good credit, this may not be a product for you, but if you're in the building credit stage, this will be an excellent product for you. I've seen people's scores go up 30 to 50 points because of the Kickoff account was one of their first few accounts reporting positively on their credit report, right? Kickoff also has a secured credit card and another credit program that I don't have any experience with, but I do have experience with the Kickoff credit account. I actually did it a few years ago. The program was a little bit different then. But when I was building up my credit, I was utilizing the Kickoff account and it helped me get my profile to where it needed to be. So if you don't have that many positive reporting accounts, or if you don't have any credit at all, and you're looking to start and build your credit, go ahead, use the link in the description for Kickoff. Get started. It's only $5 a month. The most important thing, guys, is to make sure that you're paying that $5 every month on time. Put it on your calendar. Make alarms, right? You have to manually go in and make that $5 payment. But once you make that $5 payment, they will report a $750 credit line on there. For those of you who don't know, we want to have at least 8 to 10 positive accounts reporting. So if you only have one credit card or two credit cards, this could be a great addition to your credit profile to help you get to that magic number of 8 to 10 credit accounts reporting. Yo, if you haven't already, go ahead, join my free private Facebook group, Plug Talks. The link is also in the description. Excuse me. Make sure you join it. I'm in there. My wife Nadi's in there. Other great entrepreneurs are in there, and they're all trying to share information to be able to help us advance and move forward. If you found this information valuable, please leave a comment. If you have Kickoff, or if you later after this video sign up for Kickoff, go ahead and drop a comment. Yo, I signed up. And then later on, drop another comment on how this has benefited you or not. Because at the end of the day, I'm only one person. I know the information that I know, but data points change. Sometimes programs that worked previously don't work anymore. So go ahead, if they don't work anymore, drop a comment and say that. If there's a negative comment, it doesn't matter to me. I'm just here for the people, and I want the people to be able to get the best information possible to be able to help advance them in their financial credit situation. It's your boy AC Legend. Hey, I appreciate you guys for staying on this long. Peace.